How to rename or delete a voice recording on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, open up the Samsung folder. Then tap on voice recorder. And then tap on the list button at the top. In here, to delete a voice file, simply touch and hold. Once it is in a selection mode, you can select one or multiple voice file to remove. So in here I have selected 3 files, and then tap on the delete button at the bottom. To delete the files, it will be moved to the trash bin. If you wanted to, later you can restore those deleted files. Now to rename a file, simply touch and hold on that file. Once it is selected, tap on the rename button at the bottom, and in here you can give it the right name. So give the voice recording a new name and then tap on the rename button. And that's it. So that is how you can rename or delete a voice recording file on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.